And let's go to James Gilbert now. He is talking with a Rochester native who's in a mandatory evacuation zone but decided to ignore the order.
Hey, Pete, how are you? Pete Kinsella lives in Charleston, South Carolina, where there's a mandatory evacuation.
Schools are canceled, work's canceled. Everything is canceled up until Sunday.
Originally from Irondequoit, him and his wife Megan live just 5 miles from the shoreline, where there's a potential for hurricane force winds, but there's no plan to leave.
We would rather just wait it out. We don't want to get stuck outside of town.
Preparations include water, sandbags, coolers, and lots of propane for grilling when the power goes out. Natalie Johnson was told to expect at least 3 days without power. She just moved to Fayetteville last month.
What a warm welcoming from North Carolina.
The forecast calls for 70-mile-per-hour wind gusts, torrential downpours, river flooding, among others. That's unlike anything she's experienced.
I'm only used to snowstorms, really, being from Rochester.
But she's using her extreme weather prep to her advantage.
You know, it's similar to the Rochester snowstorms where everyone's like, get the milk and bread. Except it's get the water and bread, because you're definitely going to lose power.
No mandatory evacuation there, so the game is sit and wait, as the rain is expected to last until early next week. As of right now, 1.7 million people are under mandatory or voluntary evacuation orders, many of which went into place several days ago. Maureen?
All right, James, thank you. For a storm update.